New big face men's sports watch in stock. This is a WEIDE. It looks like it's spelled wide, but it's actually pronounced WEIDE. It has a Japan movement. It's a 50mm face, PU leather strap. It's got all the bells and whistles in terms of a hidden LED function. Check this out. So you tap the little red button and the whole face lights up. So great in the dark. You don't have to worry about having lume on the hands or anything like that. You've got your day of the week, your date, your alarm settings, and then you still have the original Quartz functions as well. See how it says Tuesday? You've got, let's see here. You press the date on the upper left, right here, January 14th. You've got your alarm setting. Really nice, solid build quality watch. If this brand is comparable to NavaForce. They use really good parts, Seiko and Citizen movements in their watches. The straps are good quality, and you can check this out in other color variations, including the blue that we have here over at our website at arenaAccessories.com.